2015 GMC Acadia. Left blinker blinking at a much faster rate than the right. And that's usually a bad bulb. And without even going around the car, I could see that the right front blinker is working. And then when I put the left blinker on, not sure if we can get out now. No blinker. Okay, so to get at this driver side blinker, we're going to have to take this plastic cowl off, and it's held on with a bunch of these snap pins. Probably a better name for them. You could take a flathead screwdriver and get it started, but a trim removal tool, and mine's a little banged up here, is actually the right tool for the job. Pull it up a little bit, and then come under the whole thing, and you'll get it out. And you'll want to take off several of these, probably to the center of the car. And I've already taken the rest of these off, and that'll give you access to get behind the headlight assembly. There we go. Under that cover, we'll find the turn signal, back of the turn signal and headlight housing. And this knob, just turn counterclockwise, unlock it, pull it out, and you'll see the turn signal bulb. It's just a push in. Got replacements at my local AutoZone. 7444NA. It's 7444NA. So let's put one of these in. Okay, just press the bulb into the socket. And we're going to rotate it clockwise, push it in. Make sure it's seated, turn it clockwise. You can hear a little click, and that's it. Just make sure we go around and put those clips back in. Last thing to do is test to make sure the blinker's working. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel or hit the like button. Thank you.